Audio files are either attached, replaced, or unattached within the Project Edit window. On the toolbar, just left of the Find button, is the Audio button indicator. Here the indicator is red, which means no audio file is attached. Let's click this red Audio button and see what happens. A dialog appears with two choices, Audio File Mode or Text-to-Speech Mode. This selection appears when you click the Audio button the first time after opening Project Edit. Anytime you exit and re-enter Project Edit, you will need to select one of these options. If you were wanting to hear the main text of the current record of your project, you would select Text-to-Speech Mode. But since we want to deal with audio files for one or more records of this project, let's click Audio File Mode. Another dialog appears asking if we want to select an audio file for our current record. Let's click Yes. A file selection dialog appears where you can browse to select the audio file to attach. You may wish to have the audio files you want to attach to your project to be named using the book name, chapter, and verse numbers. In this example, we have placed the audio file within the same directory as the project, though you can browse anywhere and the file will be copied to the project directory. Note that when the file browser is first opened, it will open to the default directory of the system's file browser. Here it is open to the last directory from which a file was selected. If a file of the same name is copied from another directory, the existing file will be deleted before the copy occurs. If you do not select a file, nothing will happen. You must select either an MP3 or WAV file to attach these files. Upon selecting an MP3 or WAV file, the audio icon turns from red to green and that file will be played. You can continue to edit the record while the file plays. To unattach or to choose another audio file, the audio button should be green. Let's click on that now. If you have not yet selected Audio File Mode, that option will first appear. Otherwise, it will be as it is here, where you are given the option to choose another audio file or to remove the audio file as configured for the record. If you select Choose Another, then do as previously discussed in this video to browse and add an audio file. If you select Remove, a confirmation dialog will appear. Selecting Yes will remove the audio file's attachment from the record and the audio button will go from green to red. The audio file itself will remain in the current project's directory. It is left there so that you may reselect it or replace it with a file of the same name in the future. Otherwise, you can delete it manually if needed using Windows Explorer. If you choose not to delete the audio file by selecting No, the audio file that is attached will be played.